Hello fellow travellers, here we are this evening at Bird's Nest Restaurant on Street 722. I've done a video on that and you'll find that in the links down below. It's one of the good places to eat affordable food. I'm having buffalo wings, they're $4 and they were delicious, very nice and spicy. Nice street side viewing. They offer rooms here for $3 to $8. And this is Powell who works here. And it's very well appointed. Tasteful. So if you're ever in Kampot and you're looking for somewhere to eat, they have Khmer and Western food. It's got a very good reputation, and any time I've ever eaten here, the food is delicious. So I'm going to sit down and have my spicy buffalo wings. Okay guys, that was just a short one. Hope you enjoyed it. See you here at Bird's Nest sometime.